So we just go ahead and unlock the seat with that key. Unlock it and you just shimmy it out. So I have this tethered already to my battery, and if you want to watch that video, the link is in the description below, and it tells you the voltage. You know, as you can see here, it shows you the USB-C and the USB-A, and here's the thing. This is a fuse. This is already connected. So this is a fuse. I have this fuse already connected into the battery on the previous video. So I'm not going to use this because there's already one connected. It's this right here. If you can see, I'll zoom in so you get a better idea, but it's already connected. So you can see it's just going to get connected to the little line connected to the battery. It's going to get connected. So now we're going to go ahead and remove the side panel. I'm doing the left side because the left part of the triple clamp is the only place where I have space to put this little fancy meter. It's pretty cool. Wait till it gets installed. Then there's this screw right here by the panel that needs to be removed. So go ahead and remove that. Trying not to shake the camera. So here's the screw thing, and we go ahead and put that through here. That's the nut for it. I'm just gonna take the nut out. Put the nut inside her mouth. I mean this thing. And then loop this over the triple clamp. Try not to spread shit out of your shit. No, this is always this fucking part. Okay. So all these little wires. Alright. Well, that's done. Of course I dropped a note. Right. But yay, that's on. And now you just go ahead and screw this thing. Oh, okay. Like a natural. This is not. Okay. One more time. Alright. Screw this here. Alright. And because I have a triple clamp, I'm gonna have to go ahead and put like some sort of spacer or something in between this. And they give you a little piece of rubber, sticky rubber. Just go ahead and redo this and add that in between, right? Nut, secure the nut, that's what she said. Okay. Then we're just gonna put this here like so. Right. Let's try this again. I'm not gonna stick it because I'm still gonna readjust this and then take the sticky part off and then finalize it. Right now this is just the test. And then when I'm finally done, I'll go ahead and take the sticky tape off and then redo it. Because I'm not sure if I want it there. Let's try that again. Ooh. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Okay, so we won't go that in fully. Just loosen that up a little bit. Because we do have to put this in here, like so, right? And then, yeah. So we'll leave that there. So now I'm gonna take this wire and extend it out as much as I need, and then all the excess wire I'm just gonna go ahead and tuck it in here for now, and then neaten it out after a couple of days of riding and testing out the product. See how the handle turns and whatnot without any issues. I'm gonna plug this in here like so, right? And as you can see, it comes alive, you know, but it is upside down, right? But then the USB wire is here, but I don't want this wire to go like that way because it comes out through there. So I don't mind it being upside down, but I want this wire coming out through there. If I put it the other way, then the wire has to overlap, and I'm not about that. So yeah, I can read upside down. It says 13 on it. And there's a power button. You turn it on, you turn it off, so it won't suck the life out of the battery. You have to turn this off, so hopefully it doesn't drain your battery. So I'm just gonna probably zip tie this here, run this through there, and then zip tie it here again, and run it inside this panel. Right? I'm not gonna do it under because it could sag underneath, and then this is tucked away through the side panel. Right? It's pretty easy. So you pop it in through there. Tie this up. Okay. Okay, so here we are, just sliding the panel back on. Right? Just want to be careful of your wires. So your wires only have right? Let me see. So you got it coming in through here and then out through there, right? So that's not bad for now. And then we're gonna clean this up later. So now you can see here, this wire has to be risen like that because the handlebar, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and just zip tie this wire here, and then this wire maybe to there for now, so that way it doesn't like slam into my shit. You know what I'm saying? So we have it mounted, but it has to stay a little upwards so this thing doesn't hit the tank, right? So we can have a little more downwards, but you know, that's where it hits.